Hi guys, it's Terry Burgin from Terry Burgin Plumbing and Heating Engineer, doing a quick tool talk review on the ProFit whole saw set. Basically, this is it. It cuts using just one tooth on the end of it, which is actually really quick. I probably recommend this for people who do a lot of first fixing and stuff, rather than anything finishing sort of job. So you can, but I probably wouldn't cut a kitchen worktop with this, because it is a bit rough because it's so quick at cutting through. That's why I say it's probably better for first fixers. But it's got a bit of a unique selling point here where you just press a little thing, obviously your drill's on this end, slide back, take the waste bit of wood off, and then slide it back into position, locks in, and then you're away to go to do another hole. So I've just got a bit of just a bit of plywood here, so you basically drill it like you would. I didn't do that quite tight enough. Then you've got your bit of wood stuck in there. Normally you'd be, with a normal hole saw, obviously not quite as big as this, but you'd be fishing in there with a screwdriver trying to get it out, taking a while. But all you do with this is press the little locking feature there, slide it back, pull that off, slide it back, and you're away to go again. As I say, really good bit of kit, and yeah, I'm probably going to buy a full set. I brought like a starter pack at Installer this year off Expert Trades. As I say, I personally, I find this would be better for people who do a lot of first fixing, new builds and things like that. It certainly do internals of kitchen cupboards and things like that, but I probably, again, people have probably found a way around it. I think Scott Priddy was saying that you can run it on reverse. If you're going through a kitchen worktop, run it on reverse first to do a nice little score in the kitchen worktop, a nice little neat thing, and then turn it back on you know, forward cutting to actually go through the worktop itself. So you know, obviously there are ways around it, but again, not quite neat enough for me on a finished hole. But I say first fixing, I don't think anything else would come quite as close to being as good as this. Okay, thank you.